Sila yung cocoa flour. Bami mo kim muffin. Cocoa muffin lang. Sila cocoa flour mi cup sa tigol tapi sa plate and 3/4 cup. Cup sa tigol sa dia. Okay, sila flour and 2.5 cup. Okay, so sugar 1 cup na 3/4. Okay, selain baking powder lo 2 teaspoon. This pula salt 1 teaspoon. Ntar pula kape kiau. Okay, tu pula butter 1 full na half blonde. Flour kan mi pas di bulan lo. Strain apa mixing waten cocoa flour no. Nama pakai flour gonceng. Maka dikas cocoa flour. Then mix him up. Cotton flame flour ya. Lalu tahan. Using baking powder, using really salt look around. Ini sudah kurang. Time mixing good now. Sugar 1 time. Ano na ko feeling really sugar pa inside the flour. Mix good. Mixing finished. Now I'm using butter lo. Putting ko sa flour lo. Mix 1 time. Mixing must cleaning good inside. Again, mix. Try to mix them up now. Mix the flour on the butter. Mix them good, straight now on that. bata basta nakon black flour basta ba kasan mo ko wara-wara kaya na sa tayo. Simpan saja. Cut किया है मैं सारे बनाने भाई अब सब लोग साइड लो पानी पानी पसते ना भाई casting gudan lo ke flour na apa itu di ruangan casting gudan casting bastante loga deh. Nah, yang penting hujan loh, muffin cup no. Lagi na beli, makukut sudah komentar, bakal minta buku teh. Sulla uno muffin prende il bello sto vuoi cosa sai numero tahun sih dia prende SES quanto sekali mau selang trelong sto bila mau muffin cake kayak bago bahan original lah bahan cup lo hotel lah kayak walking muffin bila putin lo awen. Apa yang ready loh? Stove lah, betul stove. I must have a stove under 60 degrees. Suppose you start place that you know how to set something. You can use more drum or drum oven, and you can use one candle, walking muffin. Cake below, put him inside. And basta sa laban, basta 30 minutes.
Now muffin am ready. The roast him. Okay, let's check him whether I'm ready. Use the fork to poke him. Nah, looky fork if I'm wetted, I'm not ready. So if I'm dry, I'm ready. So now rouse him, put him outside, stretch him logo lo maki.